Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Uno. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Here, tap on Account Center option. Now, in order to sign in, you can use your Facebook or Google Play or Mattel163 or Snapchat accounts. In this video, I'm gonna use my Snapchat account, so I'll tap on Connect with Snapchat option. Then tap on Continue button. Now tap on OK option. And that is how you can sign into Uno. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.